Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can fix vanilla gift card not working, so make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First of all, open any type of preferred browser and check if the vanilla gift card servers are working fine. For that, search for vanilla gift card server status and open the first website. You can see that the servers are working fine. The other thing you try is checking if your browser is updated or not. If it isn't, then update it to the latest version. For Chrome, you can do that by clicking on the three dots menu and then select About in the Help section. You can see that my browser isn't updated, so I will update it. If this isn't the case for you, you can also try disabling your ad blocker. After that, reload the web page. If the problem still persists, you can try changing your browser. I will open the Opera browser, simply search for the vanilla website again, and it will work this time. And that's how you can fix vanilla gift card not working. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.